Hi, my name is Jessica Gonzalez, and these are my interview questions. Briefly tell me about yourself. My name is Jessica Gonzalez, and I'm from Southern Rhode Island. I'm 27 years old, and my only child is my 2-year-old orange cat named Leo. I grew up with my mother, my stepfather, and my 2 older brothers and various pets. My hobbies, other than learning about health, include playing guitar and singing, and interior design. I have been managing an inn for almost 4 years, and before that, I was a certified nursing assistant for 5 years. I have an Associates of Arts degree and will soon have a Bachelor's of Arts degree and a certification in reflexology. Why do you want to work in health and wellness? Ever since I was young, I've always had a strong passion for healing. At the age of 8, I learned about foot reflexology from my grandmother, one of the pioneers in the field. She took care of the members of our community by providing them with free sessions and ample amounts of nutrition information. When she became terminally ill, I was 10 years old. I will never forget the days, weeks, and months I spent sitting by her side trying to care for her. I rubbed her feet, doing for her what she had done for others. I was influenced by others and my family members as well. My father studied to be a minister and was passionate about fitness and a strong sense of self. I have inherited these passions and have had many life circumstances that have challenged my own health. I have had 2 life-threatening illnesses in my life and was once only given 6 months to live. This only strengthened my inner desire to help others become healthy and find a greater meaning in life. Is there any training that you may need to supplement your career? There are additional certifications that could supplement my effectiveness as a health and wellness specialist. I would like to become certified as a personal trainer because I will learn more about working one-to-one with clients, reaching their health and fitness goals. As a personal trainer, I could help people improve their general fitness, athletic performance, and even help them lose weight. In addition, I would like to become a certified health coach. I could assist people in making lifestyle changes, incorporating multiple dimensions of health, addressing each aspect of the body, mind, and spirit. I could help people focus on major health obstacles such as exercise, stress management, relationships, nutrition and diet, self-compassion, and self-efficacy. If your boss made a bad decision, would you try to correct them, and how? If my boss made a bad decision, I would start by not reacting out of any kind of negative emotion. I would be courteous and understanding and show my support for their thoughts. After, I would take a step back and reevaluate the situation. I might analyze it and come up with a more effective solution. If I am able to do so, I would present that to the boss by providing facts as to why this solution would be more beneficial to her business. I would keep a positive attitude, displaying that I am a team player. Have you ever had to handle a difficult customer? What happened? I think the most important thing is that nobody can make you feel inferior without your consent. While handling a difficult customer, it is important not to take anything personally and remain positive. I would remain aware of any valid points that they might make. In the situation, while working at the inn, I had a guest that complained about everything. They informed me that one of their life goals was to run an inn, and I felt it was their duty to share every criticism of the inn that I run. They asked me what I liked and didn't like about my job. I informed them that I loved so many aspects of my job and shared those with them. I told them that I liked meeting people from all over the world and working in my own space. I enjoyed the hospitality and making things beautiful. Then I shared with them in the most positive way that the only difficult part of my job was working with rude people. I think they got the message, and afterwards were as nice as could be. Nobody is perfect. What would you consider to be your weakness? As much as I would like to think I'm perfect, I'm not. I can tend to let other people's negative energies affect my own, especially my boss. Through time, I have learned to put up some barriers, but it is not easy for me to handle myself in these situations. If a boss or coworker is venting and taking something out on me, it is difficult for me. I sometimes don't realize what is constructive criticism and what is a personal attack. I am working on this by not reacting to situations. Instead, I try to separate myself so I have a clearer perspective on what is actually going on. This has allowed me to not be a doormat, but also not be argumentative. What would you consider to be your greatest strength? My greatest strength would have to be organization. When it comes to the workplace, I am very good at setting up visuals to help schedule upcoming tasks and events. I am also good at keeping things tidy and easily accessible. As my coworker would say, I have a gift for making things look beautiful. Give me a huge mess and I will turn it into a masterpiece. For example, when I worked at the physical therapy office, I noticed that the office was chaotic and out of order. This made working there much more difficult than it should have been. There was no manual for new hires, so I wrote up a step-by-step guide, including visuals, to guide the staff in knowing how to do scheduling and billing, the exercise treatment plans, and overall management. Thank you for listening.